We all have our childhood crushes. Why am I talking about childhood crushes? Well, I came across a website that can create AI wedding photos. And that hot topic of will AI replace photography, right? Where sure, it could put an impact on headshots. It could put an impact on product photography, but will it actually replace wedding photography? I don't think it's anywhere near the ability to replace wedding photography yet. And I don't think it will, because I think people still want that human touch. I don't think that the average couple will want to have AI generate their wedding photos for them. However, that might be different for people who have different handicaps or may not have the financial capabilities to afford a real photographer. So yes, it will happen here and there, but I don't think it will ever replace a real person doing the wedding photography. With all that said, I wanted to test out this tool, this software, to see how it would do. And the thing that really intrigued me is that it allows you to upload photos of each partner in the relationship. Unfortunately, the website says bride groom. It could be bride bride. It could be groom groom. It could be non-binary. But this website doesn't do that. This website just says bride and groom. So I apologize to anybody that offends. I don't make the software. I'm just testing it out. I did use my childhood crush, Tiffany Amber Thiessen. I'm an 80s kid, grew up with Saved by the Bell. Tiffany Amber Thiessen was definitely on my wall on a poster. With that said, sorry to my wife as well, but she knows that I have loved Tiffany Amber Thiessen since I was a child. So I wanted to see what would happen if I put me and Tiffany Amber Thiessen side by side in this software to create wedding photos. What was the result? Well, you be the judge. So I'm just going to say it like it is. It totally failed, right? The first photo looked somewhat like me. The second two did not look like me at all. And then on the bride side, none of the three looked like Tiffany Amber Thiessen. So did you agree? Did you disagree? I'm curious. Share your thoughts.